Are you a people person with great communication skills? Do you enjoy helping others and solving their problems? If yes, then you can make money online with online customer service. There are many companies out there that are looking for customer service representatives to work remotely. You can work from the comfort of your own home and provide assistance to customers via phone, email, or chat. Some of the popular online customer service platforms are LiveOps, Arise, and Convergys. They offer flexible hours and competitive pay. And the best part is that you don't need any special qualifications or experience to get started. All you need is a computer, internet connection, and good communication skills. So if you're looking for a way to make money online and enjoy helping others, online customer service might be the perfect fit for you. Don't forget to check out my channel Bayt Bucks for more tips and tricks on how to make money online.